Welcome back, viewer. Today, we are diving deeper into the world of Kohli Glow Signs, a renowned expert in customized CNC door design. Kohli Glow Signs specializes in creating custom CNC door designs that are tailored to meet the unique preferences of each client. With their expertise in utilizing state-of-the-art CNC technology, their highly skilled craftsmen can transform ordinary doors into works of art. Whether you desire intricate patterns, personalized engravings, or distinctive motifs, Kohli Glow Signs can bring your vision to life with precision and attention to detail. Their wide range of design options ensures that you can find the perfect style to complement your aesthetic. Experience the elegance and individuality of customized CNC door designs by choosing Kohli Glow Signs as your trusted partner.